Hi everyone, welcome back to Hannah's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I am going to share Tortilla Taco Pizza. It's a tortilla with taco meat baked like pizza. It's very easy and tasty recipe. You must try this. For the recipe, we need 1 pound of minced meat. Place a large skillet over medium heat, and once it's hot, you can add the ground beef, and then you can break it up and brown it until there is no pink left. Drain off any excess grease or liquid. Add 1/3 cup of salsa and give it a mix. Onion 1 chopped into small pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. Salt to your taste, and you can add 1/4 cup of water and mix it well. Cook until most of the liquid has evaporated and make sure the mixture is not dry. Finally, you can add some chopped coriander leaves and give it a mix. And then now you can turn off the heat and let it cool for some time. Whenever you make this kind of filling, make sure to make more so that it will be handy for another few days. Our taco meat filling is ready. And cheese slices, we need 6. I'm making some binding paste with all-purpose flour and water, 1 egg beaten. And we need flour tortillas. I took the large size, burrito size, and then cut it into half. You can take 1/2 piece and place a slice of cheese, and you can add minced meat in the middle. Then you can add the paste which we made with a brush. Now you can fold it in a triangle shape and place it in a circle dish. Similar way, you can make the rest of the 5 tortilla with the filling. the egg wash with a brush, and then you can top it with a shredded mozzarella cheese. Then you can spread some chopped vegetable. Here I used different colored peppers, and then I added 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Finally, you can sprinkle some more mozzarella cheese on top and bake it in the preheated oven 400 degree Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until the cheese melts. Once it's ready, you can remove from the oven and then you can pull apart and serve it immediately. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you liked this video. I will see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.